Hey, you guys. So, I know I said we were fencing today, but things changed. So, you don't get to see his face, but this is my grandson. And I also bought a cow, another cow, because my cow needs a friend. I told you guys I was on the hunt. So, we got a Simmental bull calf. No, we're not keeping him as a bull. And so he's going to be featured in upcoming videos. We are looking for name suggestions. When we are talking about animals like that, we tend to lean into names that suggest the animal will become food, because that's what they are. It helps the kids adjust mentally and emotionally, and to remind themselves not to get super attached. And so if you guys have any cool name suggestions, we've already done Pepperoni. We called him Peppy. And we did Jerky as well. He was a bit of a jerk, so it worked. So if you guys have some really cute bull, calf, or steer name suggestions, I'd love to hear them. And I will show you our new calf. Hi, honey. Hi. So we did get, not me, the loose married we. So my husband did get some fencing done today. He is meticulous in his work, which I appreciate.